Going to the Harry Potter studios, the making Harry Potter studios. It's through, you have to go through the Narishima
Pag doon may interactive,
Joshi
doon
Park?
iiyak ka talaga.
Narishima Joshi Park. Where they ate. This is where I would sit. I am a Hufflepuff. This house values education, patience, and loyalty. Huh? This is Atashi's house. Oh my god! Oh my god! That's so cool. No way did I just see that. So if you film yourself here, it's gonna come up in those frames up there. Let's look for it over there. We appeared! So cool. Oh no, you know what's up. Quidditch! We're actors for the day.
Five minutes later.
The actress on my CV. Equivalent of Xbox One and Xbox 360.
Nimbus 2000?
It's a Nimbus 2000.
Give it here, Malfoy.
Give it here, Malfoy.
Hey, Edward. Hey, Ed.
What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again?
Ooh.
My guy.
Voldemort. And she goes, my guy. St. Patrick would have vanished you really quickly there. Let's go. Whoa. This is crazy. This is crazy, bro. It's like I was there. Wow. Oh my god. Yeah. Yes. Hi guys. I'm now waiting in line for some butter beer. You get to keep the cup. You get to keep the cup. OMG. Arigatou gozaimasu. You keep the mug.
About 100 yen each.
Yeah.
Who do I owe?
No, it's okay. Bye. Okay, taste test. Atishi.
Kampai.
Kampai.
Green soda.
Yum. Is there actual alcohol in it?
No.
Damn it. Nika to C3. Yes.
He's going to sacrifice himself.
No, you can't.
Do you want to stop Snape from getting that stone or no? It's you, Harry, that has to go on. Not me.
No.
Not Hermione. You.
Wait a minute. Sabi ni Ron, you understand why, Harry? Once I make my move,
Yan.
once I make my move, then you're free to check
No,
the king.
sis, once I make my move. That's in my brain. It's like,
He wants to stop Snape from getting that stone or not.
Not me, not Hermione.
oh wow. Oh wow. Now we're lining up for the Finfiness.
Yes. What do you think she's thinking about while taking this photo? She's thinking about, oh, I didn't bring my wand. No, what about my wand? So sad. Hey sis, you're gonna miss the train. You're gonna miss the train. Oh shit! Oh.
2, 3, go. How was it, sis?
I didn't get to go in.
Guys, it's not over yet. Come on! Oh wait, it's the Dragon Alley! Oh my days, this is the coolest thing ever. Wow. And we thought it was over, no?
We found a near the bar stadium.
Wow, fresh sushi. Oh, that looks really, really good. Yummy, yummy.
Uni. I don't think you guys understand my excitement because I have a list of things that I want to eat, and uni is number 9 on that list. Uni has the texture of an egg yolk. The taste, I can't really explain it. It's an acquired taste. If you've ever had uni, can you please comment what it's supposed to taste like? Because to this day, I feel like I gaslighted myself into liking it because I still look confused at the end. See? We made it to the Kaminarimon gates. And the temple should just be right over there. I can't wait. Walking up to the Sensoji Temple. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? According to Google, Sensoji is the oldest temple in Tokyo and also called Asakusa Canon because it houses the canon. I'm always in awe when I go and see churches around the world, but this is different. Isn't it pretty? Let's go inside. You want a photo? Let's get your photos. Picture taking done. We're now going into the temple. Wow. Meron dito sis. How to draw Omikuji. Ano yan? Box by the details. Make sure na naman. You can draw good fortune, no sis? But you should not be careless and arrogant. Yeah sis. Ayun no, dito mo nalagay yung wish mo. I'm pretty sure. Bad fortune. Only if you drew a bad fortune. Ay, Lola.
Lola.
Mali pala guys. I-keep mo pala. Wala akong wallet eh. Tap, do they take tap? Ate Shi, give us some money. Ate Shi, paying pera. There. Okay, very cool. Thank you, Ate Shi. Time to make a wish, guys. I go get mine. Number 45. Put it back, right? I hope everybody gets good fortunes. Good fortune, good fortune, good fortune. Number 53. Eh? Number 45. I got a regular fortune.
Let's read our fortune.
So it says that your hard life under so many troubles during a long period will be over and it may get better by day. By the help of the noble and mayor person, you will get permanent recognition. Your future will be improved to much better. As the last flower can make the best fruit. The fortune smiles and comes to you finally. The income and wealth will be in your hands at last. Your request will be granted. The patient will get well soon. The lost article will be found, but late. The person you wait for will come, but late. Build a new house and removal are both well. To start a trip is well. Marriage and employment are both well. Ooh, this is super cute.
It's my fortune. Adorable.
I got a regular fortune. Best fortune! Wow! What does it say? Go.
Bad old things will turn into happiness. New hope appearing. You will get treasures. You can find hope on the cloud in the sky. Just like dead trees bloom flowers when spring comes. Everything will be prosperous. Your wish will be realized.
Wow.
Sick person will recover. The lost article will be found. The person you're waiting for will come.
Wow naman. She's so best fortune. I got regular fortune.
Ate Shi, how'd your goes turn out?
Regular.
Yes. Yours say Ate Rose.
Bad fortune. Accused by other people.
I would never accuse you.
law.
Oh damn!
Yeah.
You baddie. Did you read yours, Ate Shi?
I am so good.
Figured out you could pay with your Suica card on these vending machines. Now we feel like millionaires.
Ice cocoa.
Whoa. Baller.
There's milk in it I
Suica.
can't drink.
Wow. Ganda-ganda pa rin. I'm still in awe.
Ate Shi, taste test.
I don't know what is it.
There's no time. Oh. Oh no.
We're still at the temple. We're still in the vicinity of the temple.
Hey, I'm good content, bitch.
How do you say, oh no, you can't be cursing near the temple. Oh no. Can you do an Ate Rose? Do an Ate Rose. Pag when it tastes good, look into the camera and go. Sarap. OG. Oh, there it is.
Amoy pa lang.
Oh! Milo!
Right.
Wow. Oh. Wow. Dami yung pera. Dami suika.
Amazing. Taste it, Ate Shi.
Oh, you look so good here. Ganda ng background mo. Yum? Yes.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Ginagawa na.
Ayaw eh. Karera wa sore o yatte imasu.
でもフィリピン料理は好きですよ。
Gusto niyo ito yung pagkain? Ang cute ng driver namin. Patanong-tanong siya.
Takashita Street!
So much stuff. So cute these are, guys. Look at the Japanese fashion. I see that bag everywhere. Oh,